Hello, my dear students. Hello. How was yesterday? Then I am asking you, how are you? Are you okay? Listen. Please don't go anywhere because everywhere we can see there are corona patients. So take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Listen here. Our first lesson is the island. Island is our first lesson. Now we are not entering in our lesson. Before the lesson, I am introduce you some words connected with that the island, the lesson island. We can see more words. Some words are new for you. Some words are difficult for pronounce. Difficult to write like island. It's a difficult word. It's a short word, but it's a difficult word because there is an S there. S is a silent. So we are using, pronounce it as a island. Island. This is an island. ISLANT. Island. I showed you what is island. What are the specialities of an island? Then a new word coming here, fisherman. In the island, the lesson we are reading the first word, the fisherman. 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 They are fishing. Their job is fishing. Fisherman. One of the fishermen is called fisherman, but one or more persons are there. We will use fishermen. There is a little difference at the last word. Men. MEN. Man is a single word. Men is a plural. One or more persons are there. We are using it as a men. Fisherman. Here fisherman. What is the job? They are going into the sea in boat and they are catching the fishes. That is fishing. They are called fishermen. We learned island, ISLAND, island. Then fisherman, FISHERMAN, fisherman. Then fish. You know what is fish? Every day in lunch we are eating fish, fish fry, fish curry, like that. Fish. These people are catching the fish and giving us fish. FISH, fish. So many variety, so many types of fishes we are eating. Fish curry, fish items are very delicious and sweety. Fish. Fisherman. And his wife, there is another character, wife, 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 wife. I introduce you island and a fisherman, fish. Now, what? Wife. These are the words in that lesson. Then seashore. Seashore. Shore of a sea. I will show you. I showed you the seashore. 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 Backside you can see a seashore. 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 These are the words we want to study in the lesson, the island. Then folk, Folk, folk. That's an African folk story. Island, the lesson taken from a folk story. This is a folk story. Folk, Folk, folk. Folk tale, folk story. We can use so many types. We can use tale or we can use story. Both are same meaning. Folk, folk story, Folk, folk. Then world, WORLD, world. You can see the world in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 line. World. WORLD, world. These are the some words introduce you before we are entering in our English lesson, the island. There are so many words in that lesson. That all words are, I will show you in background or my side. You watch the words and watch the words carefully, very carefully, and write down in your notebook which are the words coming in this screen. Okay, understand? After reading or writing these words, we can enter or we will start our lesson, the island. So, study these words. First you watch the words, then try to read with the help of your parents. Then write down in your notebook, English notebook. After writing these words, you show to me by WhatsApp. Then we will start our lesson, the island. Then we are stopping here. Do what I said. Okay?